Hi friends, and welcome back to today's letter of the day. Today's letter is S. Here is an uppercase S, and here is a lowercase s. Some fun facts about S. It's the 19th letter in the alphabet. And S has three sounds. It can sound like an S, a Z, or sh. Some examples of S words are soup, snack, snake, skeleton, salt, and safe. You hear that S? Here are some examples of S words sounding like Z. Listen close. Scissors, laser, desert, music, nose, raisin. See, it sounds like Z. Some examples of S words sounding like sh, S-H. Sugar, shop, ship, shine, shut, and shapes. You hear that S-H sound? Joke time! I hope you like this one. Why didn't the skeleton go to the dance? Do you know why? Because he had no body to dance with. Parents, here are some family fun ideas for the letter S. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!